Have you heard this two-note call? Does it sound like cuckoo, cuckoo? Although the name is common cuckoo, it is not very common in India or to say in the NCR region. Do you know that common cuckoos don't build their own nests? Instead, they lay their eggs in the nests of other bird species, like any small warbler bird. The unsuspecting host bird then raises the cuckoo's chicks as their own, often to the detriment of their own young. Have you noticed how dark this photograph was when I took this in RAW? Once you remove the shadow and do color correction, you can see bird in full glory. Also, modern AI tool takes away the biggest fear of a bedding photographer, which is high ISO and noise in their photograph. Keep clicking new photographs and keep watching Birds of Incredible India.